Hi guys, Mike Martin here. This is probably one of the most important videos I've ever done on lead generation, okay? Now the reason I'm doing this video today is because a lot of companies in our industry are failing, okay? Now it's very, very easy to thrive in this industry, okay? And to sit at home, not have to work for a living, not have to actually do any work whatsoever. And it's very, very easy to also fail and get bogged down with costs and stuff like that. And anybody in the lead generation industry will understand the costs mount up very, 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 very fast, okay? So today what I want to show you is why 99% of lead generation companies fail, okay? Why it's their own fault and how to avoid it happening to you, okay? So first of all, let's go back to the image we've just been on. So basically in 99.9% of companies, the way the whole process works is a form, an advertisement, or a phone call comes into the business, as you can see with these three here, and then they are sorted by location, where they're going to be sent to. They're then sorted by the industry, and then they're sent to the right lead buyers, okay? From that point on, the lead then gets over and gets sold. You send out an invoice, you get paid, deal done, next, okay? Very, very simple, very, very easy. That is the lead generation process, business model in a bag. There's no additional, right? But when we actually break it down and have a quick look at it, okay? So from here, from the lead coming in to the point where it gets sent to the right lead buyers, approximately in most companies, it's around about the 15-minute mark. In some industries, it's actually a lot longer because the validation's a lot harder. But let's be generous to this process and say it takes, on average, about 15 minutes, okay? Then once it's been sent off to the right lead buyers, it might take you 5 minutes to talk those right lead buyers into buying it off you, okay? So you basically, from this point up here, where it's sent to the right lead buyers, to the point where the lead gets sold, might take you 5 minutes. If you phone the right person and give it to the right person, there and then on the spot, you get the right person to take the lead. Okay, the next process is sending out the invoice, getting paid, deal done and all that. So let's say it takes 10 minutes to set up an invoice and send it out for the lead, or it takes you 10 minutes on average, okay? So when we're looking at the lead generation process, the average process for a lead coming into 99% of lead generation companies is approximately about 30 minutes a lead. Okay, now that doesn't seem too bad. 30 minutes a lead, if you're making 20, 30, 40, $50 a lead, it's not too bad at all, okay? But there is a little bit of a problem with it, okay? And I'm just going to break it down for you first of all. So let's say you're doing 100 leads a week. That's a very, very small lead generation company, okay? But if you're doing 100 leads a week, okay? And I'm going to be super generous and say that 100% of your leads convert. Okay, so you're doing 100 leads a week and 100% of your leads convert. That doesn't really happen in real life, but we're going to do that today just to show you where the problems are coming in the lead generation industry and why people are failing, okay? So 100 leads a week is 100 times 30 minutes. Yep, 100 times 30 minutes is 3,000 minutes, okay? Or 50 hours, okay? 50 full hours. That's a full-time member of staff doing a 40-hour working week, okay? Plus 10 hours overtime. That's 100 leads a week, okay? So you need to run a business with bringing in 100 leads a week. You need to generate, or you need to employ somebody for a full working week to do all the lead processing and then give them 10 hours overtime, okay? They might be able to get it in full 40 hours if they work really, really hard, okay? Now let's look at 500 leads a month, okay? That's 100% of leads convert, okay? Now realistically, that's not gonna happen, but let's say they do. So you've got 500 leads a month coming in, 500 times 30 minutes, what are we looking at there? 500 leads a month times 30 minutes is 250 hours. Okay, that's 6 full-time members of staff working 40 hours, and then there's 10 hours left there for overtime, which you can throw in wherever you want. And let's just say, now let's say you're paying all of your staff minimum wage. You've got $15 an hour. So 15 times 250, can anybody give me the answer? I know I've had to use a calculator, so it's on the next one. It's $3,750 a month. Okay, so if you're doing 500 leads a month, you're spending, if you're paying your staff minimum wage, $3,750 every single month on lead processing. Okay, you can stop calling yourself a lead generation company because your biggest outlay is not in lead generation, not generating the leads, getting the leads through the door, because that all is done automatically with your advertisements, with your form fills on your websites, with your SEO, with your calls, your phone calls coming into your business. That's all done on complete autopilot. So you're actually a lead processing company, or 99% of lead generation companies are actually lead processing companies, okay? So you've got $3,750 a month outlay, and that is if you convert 100% of your incoming leads. 100% of your incoming leads that come into your business, okay, convert. Right, if you convert 20% in real life, you're doing better than 99% of lead generation companies out there. Okay, so if you can convert 20% of your incoming leads, then you're doing very, very, very well. But we've done this video based on 100% conversion rates. So realistically, 500 leads a month, you might need 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members of staff, 10 members of staff. It depends how well your business is set up. Now, what you really need to be able to do with your lead process, okay, is you need to be able to do this. Boom. You need to be able to jump from lead, deal done next, ads, deal done next. Lead comes in via form, deal done next. That is what you need to be able to do. So you need to get all that down to 0 minutes, okay? Now, if that takes 0 minutes to do, you can sack all your staff because your lead comes in via phone, straight to the person that it's supposed to be done. They purchase it on complete autopilot and deal is done next, okay? So you don't even see the lead, okay? But you need to set this process up. If this isn't already in your business and working this way, this is something you must set up in your business if you ever want to grow to the size of some of the big lead generation companies that are turning over hundreds of thousands or millions every single month. Every single one of them has this process from start to finish completely automated. If they don't, they're doing it wrong, okay? Now, introducing Lead Simplify. I'm going to show you exactly how this can be done. It's very, very, very easy. Let's take a look at form leads first of all, okay? So these take up about 1/4 or maybe 1/3 of the market's leads coming in, okay? So if you use a Lead Simplify, this is the system I'm about to show you now, your form gets completed, okay? It enters the system automatic, so this is your website over here. Form gets completed, it enters Lead Simplify, anywhere in the world that form can be, on any website in the world, sorted by location, sorted by trade, instantly, or sorted by industry, okay? Then email and SMS messages sent out to all the lead buyers on complete autopilot, and it's sold on complete autopilot. So all the correct people, the correct industry, correct location, they receive an email, they receive an SMS, they one-click purchase that lead from you, or alternatively, if they're set to auto buy, they just receive the customer's contact information and the job details, and it's done, okay? So that takes 0 minutes, okay? In addition to that, call lead process, okay? So a call comes in, okay, it is then sorted by location, it is then sorted by industry on complete autopilot. All of the correct lead buyers in the correct industry, in the correct locations, phones ring simultaneously. Okay, first person to answer it gets to speak to the customer. If it goes over, say, 60 seconds, 30 seconds, whatever you want to set that to, the customer is the lead buyer is automatically charged for the job, and you get paid. How long does it take? 0 seconds. So from the call coming in, it's auto distributed to the right lead buyers in the right location. This is the only system on the planet that enables you to do this. Okay, a customer can ring up anywhere in the US and the system can ask them, what is your zip code? They say 90210. This will put them straight through to plumbers in Beverly Hills, locksmiths in Beverly Hills, any lead buyers, solicitors, rehab centers. It doesn't matter who it is you're looking for. They say their zip code, instant. From the second the call comes in, right the way through to the deal being done and you getting paid, is completely automated from start to finish. No more checking your lead buyers, no more checking locations, no more doing invoices. None of that doesn't exist anymore. This is the system that you need. And because we are so confident in this product, we're so confident in this product, and you won't see this anywhere else in this industry at all by any other company, we offer a full 90-day, no questions asked money back guarantees. That means you can get this system, you can integrate it into your business, you can set up your lead sales process, and if this product is not doing exactly what it says on the tin and running your business from start to finish, in fact, even if you just decide, I'm going to use it for 3 months and then get rid of it, use it as a free lead generation process, come speak to me 2 months and 29 days in, and I will give you a full 100% refund for every single penny you have spent over the first 3-month period. Okay, no other company in the industry can do this. The reason they can't do it is because they're not as confident as we are with their product. This is a world-changing product. It's the only product that does what it says. It is the only product that can enable you to direct calls to the right people in the right area in the right location on complete autopilot. You never have to touch another incoming lead ever again. Okay, this is the only system that does that. Scroll down this page now, click on the buy button, okay? Get yourself this system. You've got 90 days to make your mind up. There's no buying it now and deciding in 2 weeks whether you want it. You've got the time to integrate it into your business. You've got the time to use it. You've got the time to get this product and make it work for your business. And we know it works. And the reason we know it works is because we use it to run our own lead generation companies right now. Every single day, we're doing tens of thousands every single day of every single week throughout all the time, using this exact same product. So if you want to succeed in the lead generation industry, scroll down, click on the button. You've got 3 months full access without it costing you a single penny if you decide you don't want the product. Okay guys, I look forward to seeing you inside the Facebook group. I look forward to working with you. I look forward to helping you succeed in your lead generation industry and become one of the 1%. Thank you very much. Goodbye.